that whoever is in contact with you is not pretending to be someone else. So at least we can sleep well at night knowing that everyone was a real person that has contacted each other. So once you have uploaded your ID, it will now move to the liveliness check. So this is how it looks like. So you click the liveliness check, and now your client will have the chance to show off their modeling skills and fit their head into the frame. So give them your best smile, and they can romance the camera from this point. So first, look straight, and then after that, they can now look to the left, then look to the right. So after the front, the sides have been fully captured, then they are able to get verified. Then after it has all been processed, then they are all good. However, in case they failed, that's okay. Only take naman yung liveliness check. However, they cannot proceed unless they pass it, so that everyone can be sure that no one is pretending to be someone else. So I'd like to welcome one of our ESG partners. So thank you for that, Sir Eric.
Hello, sorry.
So would you like to share something, Sir Eric, or all
No,
good
no,
so
no.
far? All
All
right.
good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir Eric. So, going back to the liveliness check, after nagpa-model yung client natin, they can now close the window. Or in case they failed, no, they can close their window again and retake their liveliness. So, parang, it's just like a photo shoot sa set. No? Kung may take 1, kung hindi successful yung take 1, may take 2, take 3, hanggang take to infinity. So, okay lang yon. Aside from that, so once, let's say they were successful, they can click OK to close yung tab na ito. Then, the policy owner can now submit the uploaded ID and click Submit. So, kung great success tayo, how do